You need to explain AI to your firm's partners, but they see it as just noise. But what if over 77% of legal searches are now answered by AI first? This means for most potential clients, an AI is now the firm's front door. If your firm isn't the one being cited by that AI, you are functionally invisible. We'll give you a framework to explain what this is, the benefits, the risks, and how to lead. So, what is this strategy for getting cited by AI? It's called Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. Simply put, GEO is making your firm's content so authoritative that AI systems like Google choose to use it as a source when answering a legal question. This is the main difference from old SEO. SEO gets you on a list of links. GEO makes you part of the answer itself. Think of it this way. SEO gets your book on the library shelf. GEO gets your book quoted by the librarian. This doesn't mean your current SEO is wasted. Strong SEO based on clear, authoritative content is the foundation for strong GEO. So we know GEO means becoming the source for AI, and it builds on good SEO. But how does an AI actually choose? Why would an AI cite your firm's article on contract law over a competitor's? What signals is it actually looking for? AI systems are built to find the most trustworthy and efficient answer. They look for signals of authority like clear structure and verifiable facts. But it goes further. AI tailors its answer to a user's context, history, and location, making the source it cites profoundly influential. From an ethics view, this is huge. By feeding the AI your firm's vetted info, you're helping reduce the spread of inaccurate legal summaries. So being the source is vital for visibility and public good. But what can this tech do inside the firm to affect the bottom line? First, research. Instantly analyze thousands of documents for precedents, summarizing arguments and saving hundreds of hours. Second, drafting automation. Create first drafts of contracts and briefs from templates, letting lawyers focus on high-level strategy. Third, streamlined operations. It can even auto-generate clean, billable time entry narratives, slashing administrative work. This is not theory. 74% of organizations using this tech are seeing a return on investment. This means tangible revenue growth. The business case is strong, but any partner will rightly ask, what are the risks? And they are quite significant. Risk one is hallucination. The AI generates text that sounds correct but is factually wrong, a disaster in a legal context. Risk two, confidentiality. Using public AI tools with client data is a massive security and privacy breach waiting to happen. Risk three, bias. The AI learns from real-world data containing biases that can produce discriminatory advice or contract terms. These risks point to one non-negotiable rule: the ethical responsibility of human oversight. A lawyer must verify every single output. This is not true intelligence. The AI doesn't understand law. It predicts the next word based on patterns. That distinction is the key to safety. So we have a huge opportunity for visibility and efficiency, weighed against serious ethical risks. How do we proceed? Let's return to GEO. We talked about becoming the source for AI answers. Now, connect that to the risk of hallucination. By making your firm the authority in AI sites, you're doing more than marketing. You're actively fighting the AI's tendency to generate wrong legal information. Now connect the internal time savings from research and drafting to the external market. These efficiencies let smaller firms compete with larger ones. So the full picture is this: a proactive GEO strategy for acquisition, paired with responsible internal adoption for efficiency, governed by strict human oversight. The conversation with partners isn't about buying software. It's a strategic discussion on the future of client acquisition and firm efficiency. Recall that 77% statistic. The shift already happened. The question is no longer if your firm will engage with AI, but how it will do so. The first step is an internal conversation. Ask, what is our strategy to be the cited authority in our practice areas? What are our guardrails for risk? Explaining GEO isn't a technical briefing. It's charting a course to keep your firm's expertise visible and valuable when AI is the new front door.